Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yeah. Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to this valedictory function. For now is we will be having a brief introduction. I'm sure that you all have filled a feedback form. It is for Cyber Institute's feedback, please. Please note that. So with the kind permission of our trustee, sir, can I start?
Good afternoon, madam. When will start that examination, madam?
Within 20, 30 minutes, 20 minutes probably. Just
Okay,
we'll finish
fine.
up the formalities and we'll start.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But please wait for the instructions. Be clear about the instructions before you take the exams. First is my, I will be announcing. When I tell his name, he stop. Just 5 minutes wait. So, with the kind permission, Hilde sir, we would like to start. Sharma sir, are you in? Shirol sir, are you in, sir? Shirol sir,
I'm there.
are you there? Okay, fine. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. To begin with this validatory function, I request Dr. S.V. Shirol sir, Head Department of Social Work, to summarize to us and the participants about the 5 days FDP program. Over to you, sir. Shirol sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. And this 5 day packaged development program we started with.
Voice is breaking. Echo.
Getting recorded.
I'll go outside. I'll go outside. I'm sorry for the Hello.
It's not audible, sir.
Go ahead now.
Am I audible?
We are unable to hear
Yeah.
you.
Now at least. Okay. No. Hi, myself for Dr. Ashishro, working in the
Shirol
Department
sir.
of Social Work.
Sir, at a time, the mobile and system might be working. So, yeah. Now you start, sir.
Yeah.
Again,
Mobile
started.
phone is put on mobile. Mobile system.
किसी एक को म्यूट कर दो.
Sorry, sir.
This FDP started
This FDP started
from 8th December.
from 8th December, Tuesday,
And now there were 14
and in all there were 14 sessions.
and first session was conducted by
And the
Dr.
first session
Srinath.
was
He covered
he covered
the most
the
important
most important aspect of research,
that
that is
is
qualitative and quantitative research.
Second session
The second session was handled by
Dr. Lalita Gauri.
Dr. Lalita Gauri Kulkarni from Pune.
He spoke about
She spoke about literature of review and reference style in research draft.
and on the same day,
And on the same day,
third session was
third session was
conducted by Dr. K. Pradeep Kumar,
conducted by Dr. K. Pradeep Kumar,
Professor,
Professor, Cyber,
he
Kolhapur.
highlighted
He highlighted
problem
on
formulation and research design.
problem formulation and research design in research.
Second day,
Second day, on the 9th December, Wednesday.
first session was conducted
First session was conducted by Dr. Deepak Walokar, Director, Karve Institute of Social Science, Pune. And he spoke on hypothesis, concept, construction, and statistical tools in social research. Session number 5 was conducted by Dr. M.M. Ali, former director and present academic advisor of UPM Science Institute, Sangli, and he is the person who did the large number of PhD students. He spoke on selecting appropriate sampling technique in research. Now, most of the students, they get confused with sampling technique, which is the crux of any research, whether it is social science research or marketing research or anthropological research, economic research. Sampling always confuses among the students. He made very clear, crystal clear with regard to sampling technique. And it was again fifth session was conducted by Dr. B.J. Thomas, Professor, Department of Sociology, Sardar Patel University, Baroda. And she touched upon measurement and scaling techniques, which are highly tough for students to understand scaling techniques. And she also spoke about how scales are developed. And next session was held on third day, that was 10th December. Session number 7 was conducted by Dr. C.D. Lokhande, Research Director and Professor, D.Y. Patil, University, Kolhapur. He spoke on research indices, measures of excellence citation, H index, impact factor, etc., etc. So he spoke at a global level how the articles have been cited and how H index is important and how impact factor Google Scholars are relevant for scholars. And on same day, 8th session was conducted by Dr. B.T. Lavani. He spoke on social work research base, that is intervention research, action research, and participatory research. He also published several books and he's guided many MPhil and PhD students. Next day, session number 9 was held on same day, that is on 10th December. Dr. K.S. Hari, Professor, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, deemed University, Pune. He spoke on sources of data collection and presentation. There are so many confusion with regard to sources of data, how to distinguish, how to differentiate. He made very much clear for all the participants. And on 11th December, Friday, first session was handled by Dr. Arvi Kulkarni, former director of Kolhapur, and presently is working as head Department of Computer Science. He spoke on basic statistical concepts and research, which are generally ignored by many research scholars, because basics of statistics is a must for understanding advanced techniques of statistical analysis. Then session number 11 was handled by Dr. Babu Jakaria, and also session number 12, 11 and 12 both handled by Dr. Babu Jakaria. He gave practical training on SPSS. Now, SPSS, many students do not know how to use it. They know what is SPSS, but how to use it for their study purpose. And he made very clear for students, and he also made it very clear with regard to certain variables which are confusing for students as well as guide, and how to make correlate analysis, and how to conduct t-tests, calculus tests, etc. And after lunch, session number 12 he conducted, and session number 13, that is on day 5th, 12th December, Saturday, morning hour, Dr. G. Raghavendra Raju, Director of Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, a deemed university, Prashanti Nilayam campus, Puttaparthi. He spoke on guidelines for research report writing, research ethics, and plagiarism. Really, it was very much interesting to learn certain new aspects of plagiarism, how it is considered significant for original publication of research in India. Now, last but one session was stress management through Sahaja Yoga, which was conducted today between 12:15 to 2 o'clock. It was resource persons were Prerna Ijapurkar, management consultant, and Swapnil Dhade, managing director, Vardha Shelter Private Limited, Pune, and Mr. Nilesh Patil, who is also one of the key person related to Sahaja Yoga Association. And all these sessions were conducted very nicely, systematically, and this is all I wish to share, the summing up of FDP 1 week program. So I request Rajput Madam to continue. Thank you so much.
Hello, everybody. I just want to share the feedback link first. And if any participants are ready to share their feedbacks or views about this episode, I would welcome them. Some 2-3 people have given me names, but I am not able to see them here right now. Yeah, you all can mute yourself and introduce yourself with the name.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible, ma'am? Hello.
Yes, Rahul.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is Rahul Agrawal from MIT, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I attended all the sessions which were taken in AICTE Atal program.
Thank you, sir, for coming up in a very simple way. The 5-day program for the participants who have missed it also. I would like the feedbacks from the participants just in 2 or 3 minutes, please. Yeah, anybody?
I think Rahul Agrawal would like to join.
Yeah, Rahul Agarwal, I think you're raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am. It was a wonderful sessions. All the sessions were perfect, and many of
Rahul
new things
Agarwal,
were.
you want to speak?
Yes. Hello.
He's
Am I
speaking.
audible?
He's speaking. He's speaking.
I'm not
He's
able to
speaking.
hear you.
Yeah, he's speaking already.
So it was wonderful sessions. All the sessions were covered with the proper, and all the managements and everything was perfect. Even lots of the presentations were like information shared from the speakers in the presentations were new, and many of the new things will help us to carry forward our research part, and all like about patents and things were shared, how the journal papers are published, and what are the H index, I index, how your research value is increased, and in the last how the stress management was covered in the last session. It was a perfect like planning, and I enjoyed each session. I have attended all the session. I have enjoyed the session, and I congratulate all the organizer, Dr. Sonia Rajput ma'am, and all the team behind this workshop. Thank you for giving us opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Is there anybody else who wants to? Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone.
Please introduce yourself so that we know who it is.
This is Supriya. I'm from Bangalore. The session, actually, frankly telling, this was my first FGP because I was working in an MNC company, and now I've been shifted into this profession, teaching profession. For me, it was actually very difficult to understand initially, but later on, the sessions helped me out. What is exactly publication, about the research, about hypothesis, everything. Seriously, it was a big platform platform for me to learn many things because since I am a beginner. So thank you so much. I actually loved attending these sessions, and I gained some knowledge about this. Thank you so much, ma'am. And Sonia ma'am, you helped us a lot for joining and registration, everything. Thank you so much. It was good enough. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, Supriya ma'am. It's kind. Your kind words will definitely motivate us. Anybody else, please?
Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Please introduce yourself.
I'm a research scholar from Bharatiya
Sorry, we didn't get your name, please.
Surya Kumar.
Yeah, Surya Kumar. Go ahead.
So first, I would like to thank Atal and Cyber for organizing such a wonderful program. All the sessions were informative, very useful. All the resource people were highly knowledgeable and experienced. Overall, it has been a great learning experience. I once again thank all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Suryakant. Anybody else, please?
Yeah. Good afternoon, madam. This is Dr. C.V. Suresh Babu from Hindustan University, Chennai. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. As everybody said, that was perfectly planned, and all kind of research stuff has been given. It's a kind of a bundled one. Every day we take away with a lot of take home things. It was really nice. But apart from all this regular thing, the way the program is organized and the follow up from these organizers it's really an amazing. You people really made it perfectly. It's a wonderful program. I really thanks and congratulate these organizers to make this program a wonderful, because not a single day it has come down to the 100. Every single session it was 100 plus. That's make the program very successful. That's all because of the kind of quality resource person you people are selected. I'm really happy. I'm of course, as everybody said, there are a lot of takeaways. All these things are happening, but the quality of your resource person really make the program very successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you so much. Is there anybody else?
Hello, madam.
Yeah.
I'm Professor Pradeep Nalawade. I'm from Pune.
Okay. Yes, Pradeep.
I come from a pharmacy background. In fact, I'm working as a professor in pharmacy, and this was my first FDP program. I found it very interesting, and the lectures were of very high quality. I congratulate organizers for arranging such kind of a program, and you have a very good combination of all the speakers. All the speakers were of very high quality. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Is there anybody else? Okay. Thank you so much, one and all. I know many of them may not be able to join or they might be hesitating, but I know everyone's best wishes are with us. Thank you for your wonderful cooperation. I know the valedictory address. I request Dr. TVG Sharma, sir. He is our IQAC coordinator and IQAC and he is a member of our advisory committee also. So he is a person whom I would like to say that he is the one who has brought us the wonderful resource person also. So, sir, I request you to please address the participants. Over to you, sir. Sharma, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Rajput madam, for giving me a chance. I am Dr. TVJ Sharma. I am a head department of economics. At the same time, I am the coordinator of the internal quality assurance cell. At Cyber, we are always having a good appetite to conduct this kind of a faculty development program. First and foremost, at the outset, I am thankful to all the participants who have enrolled for our program. We know that under this Atal scheme, thousands of FDPs are being held all over the country, and it is up to the freedom of the individual participants to choose the institution where they can do their faculty development program. This being the condition, this being a perfectly competitive market for conducting the FDP program, and all you participants have chosen our institution to undergo this FDP program. So first and foremost, I am actually thankful to all the participants who have enrolled for this program being conducted. As you know, that the topic that has been proposed for this FDP was 5-day online faculty development program on capacity building in research techniques. Now the concept is not at all new, but every time it requires that we rebrush our skills in the area of research, and that is the intention with which the proposal has been sent. Now in the offline mode, number of times we have been putting our proposal to the academic staff colleges, and in offline mode it becomes very difficult for the proposal to get sanctioned. Now then came this COVID era, and then came this online sessions, and in these online sessions it became all the more easier for us to fulfill our dream to conduct the FDP program for the faculty members. In fact, we find at Cyber that conducting this type of online FDP becomes more fruitful, it becomes more informative, and becomes more, you can say, easy to execute, where more than 100 to 200 participants simultaneously can be enrolled. Whereas in an offline mode, almost the entire effort of the organizing team goes in the hospitality of the participants. We can say the entire effort goes on to the hospitality of the resource persons as well as the participants. All this is avoided, and you have been able to listen to a wonderful bunch of resource persons who have been identified by the organizing team. Right from the proposal stage, we were very serious, very committed for conducting this FDP program for the benefit of the research. Even before these FDP started, we had a brand program of our institution almost last 20 years, that is called as SWOT, Cyber Workshop on Research Techniques. Now this itself, the experience we had of conducting cyber workshop on research techniques almost for more than 2 decades has helped us to design this program of capacity building in research techniques. So we are really grateful for all the participants for enrolling for our program, and I hope that all such initiatives of cyber which will be communicated in future, I'm sure you all will help us by enrolling for all those particular programs. At the same time, I'm also thankful to Dr. Rajput madam for taking a keen interest and trying to go into the details of the program and trying to see that the programs, the resource persons are carefully selected, the resource persons are knowledgeable, and they'll be able to deliver to the expected level of the participants. And that is a meticulousness with which I think Madam, along with his team, has seen to it that all over the country, good resource persons are identified. And the feedback that we are actually getting from the participants, I think is very heartening for us and motivates us to do better things in the coming days. I am sure that all the participants will have benefited from the practical sessions that have been conducted for SPSS, as well as the meditation and the stress exercises which have been conducted in the last part of this particular program. Last but not the least, I'll be failing in my duties if I do not thank the Atal authorities for choosing cyber for, and you can say, supporting us with the grant for conducting this particular program. And at the same time, the entire management of cyber being always open to new ideas, being open to this kind of academic initiatives always. So thanks to the management team, managing trustee, Dr. Ranjit Sinde, Dr. VM Hilge, the advisor, and all other trustee members, always motivating us to proceed with these kind of programs. So I wish all the participants the very best and hope to see you in the coming programs of cyber. Thank you very much, and over to Rajput Madam.
Thank you so much, Sharma sir. It was really motivating. Now request our beloved Dr. VM Hilge sir, a trustee member and an advisor to the institute, to give his presidential remarks. Over to you, Hilge sir. Hilge sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rajput Madam, and the team for this FDP program. Say, as Dr. Sharma, who is here, Dr. Sharma, Dr. Patil, then Dr. Kumar, and Dr. Valvi, they are present here in our room. All the participants who have participated, and I am delighted as the ex-director and one of the trustees of the institute that our team of research and of this FDP program has done well. So credit goes to the leader of this FDP program, Mrs. Dr. Rajput Madam. In our motto, we say that Amantranam Aksharam Nasti, Nasi Moolam Aushada, Ayogya Purusha Nasti, Yojakastra Durlabha. So Yojak is Durlabh. Yojak is not really available. He has to do all the management functions of organizing, planning, etc. So Dr. Mrs. Rajput has done that. So I congratulate her from the bottom of my heart. And I am delighted because when I was a director long back, Dr. Sharma has pointed out, we initiated in 1980s the research methodology programs for the college teachers because they were facing a lot of difficulties in doing their MPhil and PhDs. And that have borne the fruits. And today it has culminated into an excellent program of AICTE. The AICTE generally doesn't easily sanction any seminar, workshop, or the program. So I also give congratulations to those under Dr. Sharma who have put in efforts for the proposal to the AICTE. Now you have done this a preliminary course. Now this is just a preliminary course. You have to do your own research. You have to use ICT, information and communication technology use. You should use it so that research becomes rather easier. For example, our MSW team in a village survey, in a rural camp, our students collect the data, and data is transferred within a second to the server, and by the evening, data analysis and the results are ready. So much easier and instantaneous research has begun. So research methodology is just like you can say the Hoka Yantra, or what is known as the compass for a ship. A researcher is like a ship on the high sea, and the research methodology is a Hoka Yantra or a compass which will guide you to the, otherwise you will be lost in the data and you don't know from where to go in the jungle of data, in the forest of data. So the methodology, objectives, review of the literature, and the contribution of others, and the proper collection of data, they are very, very essential. And I think they have introduced you in this 8 days FDP program, and nearly 14 sessions, Say, if you look at the most of the companies now in this technology age, you find that at the helm of the company, take the TCS, take the Wipro, take the HCL Technology, or take any company, then technocrats are at the top. Those who have studied mathematics, statistics, and also the management, they are at the top. So there is the importance of technology, there is the importance of statistics and mathematics and its application to the research and data analysis that must be borne in the mind by the participant. Now, whatever research you have done, don't keep it on the shelf. Bring it to your classroom or take the seminars on that, take the workshop on that. So research and consultancy should come to the class so that students will understand what is the research, what is the consultancy, and what it can be. And your class will become more practical oriented and the employability of the students will be enhanced. Your research must be also useful to the society. For example, in this part of the country, there are the sugar factories, there are the spinning mills. So our research should find out what are the problems of these companies, these cooperatives, farmers, and we should have a applied research so that society will be benefited and the institutes, academic institutes will be benefited and the students and the professors will be benefited. Those who have come to the in the higher echelons of the university grading, of the world grading, you can see those who are doing good research, they are getting more ranks or the higher rank. So my friends, research is very important. From research, you have to go to the consultancy, and all these things you have to take the classroom, and it should be the useful to the society. That is very important. So at this, and I am very thankful for your feedback. I think you have given a good feedback. In spite of all this, I request you as an ex-director and as the trustee of the, that if you have any good suggestions, you can write to our director or say to Dr. Mrs. Rajput. Thank you very much. Best wishes from me to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed a very motivating and encouraging words. I'm sure the participants have also benefited with it. With this, we go to the last part of it, that is vote of thanks, a formal vote of thanks. I would like to propose the vote of thanks. I, Dr. Sonia Rajput, Faculty of Social Work Department and the coordinator of this program, on behalf of the entire cyber management, our trustees, Dr. R.A. Shinde sir, CA HR Shinde sir, Dr. VM Hilge sir, Dr. TA Shivare sir, Director CS Dalvi sir, IQAC Coordinator and in charge Dr. TVG Sharma sir, our HOD Dr. SV Shirol sir, our team of organizing committee, and on my personal behalf, would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to Atal for providing this platform to organize this FDP, which I'm sure was beneficial to all the participants. My special thanks to the director, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Assistant Director, Dr. Girdarilal Garag, and the whole of Atal team for supporting us and encouraging us with this FDP program. We have been the lucky ones to be chosen among the 4,000 proposals. Only 400 proposals were accepted, and we are the lucky ones to have that. So I thank Sir, the Atal Group, for encouraging us with this privilege. I would like to express my sincere thanks and appreciations to all the wonderful resource persons for accepting our invitations just on a phone call and sharing their enlightening knowledge of research with our participants, which I'm sure was indeed very enriching and enlightening. They really deserve a big round of applause. I'm sure you all also agree with it. They deserve a big round of applause. In the inauguration session, we had Dr. Shashidhar Chinnavar, who was also a director from KLMS, Belgaum. His encouraging words for the FDP and research was also of immense value and encouraging. I would like to thank him also for accepting our invitation and addressing with his keynote address to our participants. I wish to thank all my colleagues, the session in charge, who were hosting the sessions in a very smooth manner. Taking everybody's name would be really difficult now, but from the bottom of my heart, I would express my gratitude towards them. I thank the advisory committee for sparing their valuable time in guiding and suggesting, modifying, or selecting the topic. A special thanks to Dr. SV Shirol, Dr. TVG Sharma, and Dr. K. Pradeep Kumar for arranging such excellent resource persons from different states of our country and guiding in the schedule. I thank my co-coordinators, Ikal sir and Dr. D.N. Valvi, for coordinating the schedules in a very systematic way. The technical team was our backbone. Without their support, we could not have reached our goal. I thank each and every member of the technical team for their support. I would also put on records the organizing team and a special thank to Professor Mantesh Patil for the technical support and the entire administrative staff, the administrative officer Vinayak Salunke, Vikas Patil, the accounts officer, Santosh Shogle, and a very special thanks to Ms. Runal Shinge for all her meticulous work of all the correspondence and clerical support done, and which was done with great commitment and sincerity. My thanks to my administrative staff, Bhagwan Mama and Sarjirao Mama, who were always there on their toes to help us with their support. I express my deep sense of gratitude to the cyber management, our trustees, Dr. R.A. Shinde sir, CA HR Shinde, Dr. T.A. Shivare sir, Dr. V.M. Hilge sir, Director C.S. Dalvi sir, HOD S.V. Shirol sir, and IQAC Coordinator Dr. TVG Sharma sir, my colleagues, all the special invitees, my friends, all my student friends for their moral support and guidance. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all, and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you. I'm sure you all are benefited with it. Now, I will be handing over the session to Dr. D.N. Valvi, sir, my co-coordinator, to conduct the exams. Please be online. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Hello, all the dear participants. Thank you for joining us and understanding the journey of research. I hope this workshop will be a milestone in your career as a researcher. So thank you for your patience listening and I would like to give a few instructions to you all that we would be sending a feedback link to you. We are sending feedback link to you. So please fill that details very immediately. The same link.
Sir, if you don't mind, would you be a bit louder, sir? You are not audible.
I'm not audible. It is fine now.
No, sir, you are not audible, sir, clearly.
Okay. Now I am audible. Is it I am audible?
No, sir. No.
Sir, your volume is very low, sir. We can't hear you properly.
We'll be putting your link on the chat box. Please be attentive about it. Yes, Valvi, sir.
Yes, we will be putting a link into a chat box for feedback. So kindly give your feedback, and similarly after end of the session and the exam will be for half an hour. At the end of the session, you have to give your feedback to Atal Academy portal also for the entire feedback of the FDP program. So I request you all that after this session feedback, you have to give the feedback to Atal Academy through your register number, and we will be, after the feedback received, we will be sending exam link to you. Exam will be for 30 minutes, and within this time you have to submit your answers. So I hope you will cooperate. Thank you. Just wait a moment for our A link has been shared to you, exam link. So please open that link, and your timing starts now. So it will be exact 30 minutes. So 3:45 we will be closing the link. So all participants are requested to attend the exam for getting a very good score on your certificate. Thank you. If you have any doubts, I am already connected. You can share in chat box, or you can share it to me.
What is the time, sir? Time
30 minutes.
Sir, could you please mention in the chat box the time and related info? We are sorry, sir, you are extremely not audible.